Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, and in this video today I'm going to be showing you how to generate your own images like this and lots more with your branded name and even for your businesses. So first of all, you have to do is go to your Google Chrome and search for Ideogram.ai. This is the site Ideogram.ai. Make sure it's having this this AI here. Make sure it's having this AI right here, Ideogram.ai. So that's what we are going to do. Now hit the go button and allow it to load. So you let it load. It's going to take a while because it has to load, so let's just wait for it to load. Now after loading, it's going to bring out this. As you can see, it's already having my record here. It's already having my record down here. I don't know if you can see where this arrow is pointing to. Let me move this thing up a bit. Can you see? It's already having my record down there. So, but just for you, it's not going to be showing anything. It's going to be showing a new blank page for you to sign up. Still loading, guys. Guys, I want to really say a very big thank you to those who are subscribed to my channel, and to the returning viewers. Please, if you have not subscribed to my channel, kindly hit the subscribe button with love. Subscription is totally free. Thanks for following my channel, and thanks for always staying up to every post I drop. Now hit the settings. No, this is my own dashboard. These are the things I have created, and I'm going to be teaching you how to create stuff like this also. If you are new, all you have to do is sign up with your link or sign up with your email account or your Google account. Use any of your account to sign up. After signing up, it's going to bring you to an interface like this. Then once it brings you to an interface like this, all you have to do is to click on this plus icon right here. Click on this plus icon right here to generate your own images. Now, while signing up, it's going to ask you for a name to use. That name is like a brand name for the site. The name you want the brand to save your brand with. It's not like it's the name you'll be generating always. You can always change it. Hope you understand what I'm trying to say. So hit the plus icon to generate your own style. Let's say I want let's go home. Let's look for what's trending. You can just look for what's trending and the ones you like, then you select from it. Look for what's trending and the ones you like, then you select from it. Let's just allow it to load. After loading, we'll pick. So as soon as it finishes loading and it brings up this interface, the next thing is to select your desired templates. Just look for any template you wish to edit or to transform to your. There are over thousands of templates over here, so many of them, so many. So what you just have to do is to pick the one you want and edit your name, and then you are good to go. So that is how it works. Sorry, there are a lot of background noises. I just have to do this because so many of my students have been disturbing me on how to also get their name customized like this. That is why I just have to do this right now. So I could keep scrolling, but that's not what we are here for. You just pick the one you want, edit, and then you are good to go. Let's see, I want to use this. Now it's going to bring up this interface like this. The next thing you have to do is to tap on remix. Now here is the icon showing remix. Just tap on remix here. And let's wait for it to load. Now as soon as it loads, take note of this, is very important. Where you are to edit is this place. This is where you are to edit. Don't change any other thing aside from this place, because this is what is written in the template. So what you are to put there is your name. This is only where you are to change and impute your name. So let's edit it. live with every breath. See my message start to spread, and I had so many dreams. Then you let's say this is what I want to use here. Now all you have to do is just scroll down and tap on generate and allow it to load. Just wait for it. You can see that this time we will be counting down. Wow guys, come on, no, look at this now. This is so cool. Like, I don't even know which to choose now. These templates are all making sense, like really making sense. So this is it guys. This is the simple step to do it. Just go ahead, choose a template. So guys, thanks for staying to the end of this tutorial. Please like, share and comment. Drop your comment in the comment box. Please make sure to subscribe to this channel. See you in my next video.